They look like Goose over there. He looking at us like, motherfucker, you better not come over here. See him?
Oh, he got his eggs. Yeah, so how'd you up right across just like that? I don't know if you can bring your kayak down this way. I don't go this way. I don't trust it. Oh, he seemed like he was on the right bridge though. And it's deep right here too. Like in the summertime, you see it good too.
Yes, sir.
Got one?
Yep.
Yeah, I knew there was gonna be one over here. Like that Smalley. Hell yeah.
Nice.
GoPro on too.
I got it on too. Nice.
Hell yeah. Ain't it crazy how like Smallies fight?
I love it.
Aggressive, even in the cold.
I think it's crazy we done fished everywhere on the kayak.
And we're fucking on land. You see how that was second cast?
Yeah, it was my second cast.
Using that color.
It's the same bait you gave me. Nice, pretty smallie. Water temp 47 degrees. You hit this lure right here. And let him go.
He's not that one.